what would those original 67 students of the University of the Philippines in 1908 when we were founded, what would they think about us today, 118 years after their founding? When we were founded in 1908, there were only 7 million Filipinos. We were an inchoate idea then. So much has passed. The idea of University of the Philippines no longer operates today. 118 years have passed. 118 years. It's actually a gift. We have a gift that we enjoy today that was not there and given to those 67 students in 1908 and their teachers as well. And this is the gift of memory and therefore hindsight. We have a task. We have a duty to honor their sacrifices, their pioneering spirit. For the first time in our history, it has become buwan ng universidad. For 118 years, the University of the Philippines has stood as a living institution shaped by generations of people. Every achievement we honor today, every discovery, every work of art, every act of public service, every lesson taught, every student mentored, every community uplifted is both the fruit of collective labor and an offering to the nation. The faculty who continue to teach with passion and integrity, the researcher and reps who push the boundaries of knowledge, the administrative personnel and staff who keep our campuses running, the agency hired workers and service personnel whose contributions are often unseen but deeply vital, and our students and alumni who carry the spirit of UP wherever they go. Kayo po ang puso at diwa ng universidad. We exist to serve. We are called not merely to produce knowledge, but to mobilize knowledge, creativity, and compassion toward meaningful change in our communities and in our country. In a time marked by uncertainty and rapid change, the role of UP becomes even more important. We are called not merely to observe society, but to respond to it, to proactively shape it. The true measure of UP excellence is not only what we achieve, but whom we serve, whom we empower, and whose lives we help transform. At habang patuloy tayong tumutugon sa pangangailangan ng ating panahon, naniniwala akong patuloy na magiging ilaw ang UP para sa sambayanan at sa mga sumusunod pang henerasyon.